I'm really concerned about what the IRS could do with its own John Doe summonses. Now, a John Doe summons by the IRS is where they demand information from a company about its clients without specifying exactly who that client is. So it's basically a group of clients. And they've done this at Coinbase and Kraken to demand information about all US investors that have accounts. But what if the IRS issued John Doe summonses to the crypto gain calculation software companies that operate inside the US under whom the IRS has some authority? Now, if the IRS issues a John Doe summons to a US based crypto gain calculation service like CoinLedger, TokenTax, ZenLedger, or CoinTracker, then they could get information about any US person that stored information on those accounts. Now, how would these services know that a person is a US based person? Well, they know because you use the US based credit card. That would be one basis. But what information would they get if they use the John Doe summons? They would get all the addresses and information files that you uploaded into those services in prior years. So that would effectively disclose what exchanges you had. Maybe if you uploaded addresses that had to pull transactions off a wallet address, all those wallet addresses would be there. So this would give the IRS a really good insight into what the transaction histories are that you have and what services you use and what addresses you're using. This could create a very complicated situation to defend oneself if you are audited by the IRS. It might be difficult for the IRS to parse that data, but I think it would provoke some interesting conversations with taxpayers.